Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a few other watch straps for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So we have the marine band, which is already installed, the trail band, and then another marine band in orange. So I've also put in here the white band that the watch came with, so we can actually quickly try this. At the moment, this one looks like so. Titanium. Now I've been using it every day, and it's comfortable to wear, even comfortable to wear when sleeping. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I find it a bit hard to remove these new straps, but I found a way. 2 fingers and then press with this one, and it's almost easy. So I just want to quickly show you guys how it looks like with this. So I normally do, I put this one next to the red button, so it's very easy to connect. You just push in and then push in again, and yeah, I think the white one is definitely working really well with this because it's white, so it's so nice. But I do like to blend in a bit more, so I like to also use my favorite one for going incognito is this one. I wish I found a gray one, but it wasn't available at the time. So let's have a quick look at what else they offer. So we have a orange one. I'll just cut this because otherwise it's gonna be hard. So let me try and do that. Maybe I should have done it already, but I haven't. Not sure why they make it so hard. End of the day, just a watch strap. You're not really gonna need these cases, So let's have a quick look how it looks like with the orange band, because I think the orange one will look really nice as well. Titanium. So yeah, let's see, because this watch has the orange button in here, and I think that will look nice. So let's see. Let's quickly see. Push in on the other side. Okay. So what do you guys think? It's not bad, huh? I still kind of like the look on the white one. But hey, let's try also this last one, which I got part of the deal. See how it is. It's quite nice and premium. Should be elastic. Let's just remove this bit. I think I can do this very nice, so that will have to go. So I guess it's like that, and then you adjust this thing. I'll just do it a bit big because I have big wrists, so it connects to that. So I don't know exactly how it goes, but let's try. I think it goes like this. Someone is crying outside. Very good for my video. Okay, that went in, and then this other side as well. and then you put on your hand like so, like a bracelet, and then you just do this bit and just give it as tight as you want. But I forgot to move this. Okay, hang on. So or don't tell me I can't move this. Okay, what am I doing wrong? This is just for really tiny hands. How would you do that? I mean, I don't really understand. Because that should go around. Oh, okay, I see. Useless information. Bit funny, guys. I can't really understand. Let me just have a look. Okay, guys, so after I struggled a bit. So what you have to do, you have to find where exactly would you like it, I guess. I don't really like this kind of straps, I hate them. So I guess, let's say I'll feel comfortable maybe kind of like this. A bit more, maybe like that. Yeah. So then what you do, you move this thing. So you take it and you see where exactly, bang, and then you see it has two of those. Two little sticks. You put it back in there. You turn this thing around. As you can pull it, it has a spring. You lock it in place and then you do this. And that should stay like that. Yeah. Looks okay. I don't know if I'm a big fan of it. Because this metal could easily smack my screen. So I don't like this. Nah, it's not for me. I do prefer the other ones. As you can see, I'm removing it very fast. It's nice, but I don't like it. Probably I managed to even scratch my watch with that thing. Luckily, it's titanium. So I'm gonna go back to this for now. And let's just double check if we're doing it correctly. Like I said, so the one with that, unfortunately I can't really tell in here which way it is. Maybe they put it the other way around, but I do prefer like this. That goes in there. This goes in here. I want to say something. Yeah, it's quite nice. You just push it in. That's it. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.